You don't need a laptop or PC to program your drone anymore. Seriously, if you have a smartphone, and let's be real, everyone has one, there is an app called Speedybee. It's basically a portable beta flight in your pocket. Android, iOS doesn't matter. You can program and configure your drone anywhere, anytime. So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your drone to Speedybee and get started. Let's go. So here's what you need: your drone battery, drone, and your smartphone. That's literally it. 3 things. Now plug your battery to your drone and open the Speedybee application and turn your Bluetooth on in your phone. Now click this plus icon. Now app will detect the flight controller nearby, and once it detects, it will show you the name of your flight controller. So click on connect button, click on FC tuning and skip this password pop-up. And now you are in beta flight. Now you can program your drone from here. Now watch this. I am going to the motors tab. I am going to spin motor 2. See, it's actually spinning. This proves your phone is really connected to your drone. You can do this from anywhere. You are actually setting up your drone from your smartphone. So download the app first, connect your drone, and now you can tune your drone. No laptop, no hassle. Hit that like button for the algorithm, drop a comment if you're trying this. Subscribe for more, see you in the next one.